It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Got breakfast with the elephants in an hour, followed by a jungle hike at 9:30. Just heard a massive screech from an elephant, and that's because he's there. And we've also got some food for him when he comes to us, which will be cool. So I'll film it all when it kicks off. Whoa, a measly 28 degrees. Yes, outdoor toilet, come on. Well, 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 what a way to wake up this morning. Firstly, hello doggy. I think doggy's a bit poorly though. Hope it's not contagious. And then check this out. Breakfast. Talk about breakfast with a view, guys. I'm getting tucked into some pancakes. No way. 250 kilos of food these guys need to eat every day. I'll put it there for you.
Can you get one, sorry, behind from...
Banye.
Oh, yes, please.
42.
Oh, with that?
No way.
Yeah. You just press that button if that's okay. That one, yeah. Left and that. Bon.
Bon.
Come here. There you go. Oh, you dropped it. Uh-oh. All done, Bon.
Well, that was breakfast. Alongside with this, we also had a black coffee, and I don't know why, but it always reminds me of my father. Susie used to drink it, that's why. And we had a little French press, which my dad always used to use in the morning. That thing there. But it was horrible. So thank God for oat milk, otherwise I wouldn't drink coffee. So this morning, folks, as well as leaving, we're also going on a hike through the village, through the jungle. It'll take a couple of hours. Got a little tour guide with us to take us through every step of the way. We're going to do some cool things, like jump in some waterfalls, do some bamboo rafting, and then get a bite to eat as well. So all fantastic, all good stuff. I'll see you when something cool happens. Chicken. Oh.
The chicken, they eat the corn.
Ah, the corn.
The corn, some eat the rice, some eat the fruit, watermelon, something. Yeah, the banana, yeah.
Oh.
The chicken.
Aw, bless him. Do love a bacon thing. After a little trek through the rice fields and into the village, we're now on our way to go bamboo rafting. Would you want to be anywhere else? Bamboo rafting. They said don't take your valuables. I've taken my valuables.
Say that?
Yeah. See that, man? Just a kid with a hatchet. You can get that in the UK. More elephants. They're being well treated here. It's always a good sign. Animal abuse, that's no place in society. I mean that. Health and safety wouldn't allow it. Time to absolutely shrivel.
I know.
I didn't do my legs. Oh Christ almighty. Gonna burn. Hey.
You'll see on the way out. I'll show you.
I did see it.
100 like I saw it like very close.
Jesus. Hey, no, it's alright. Yeah, maybe actually. No. Hold fast. Sorry guys, not for the faint of heart. What a lad. Tell you what, this incline is not good for my knees. But the hike continues with more elephants. Get in there.
Go. Can I put it in the mouth?
Really?
I just did it. It's fine.
Return this camera here. Don't want to leave you alone, pal.
Are they male or female?
Female.
Female. Are there any males here?
We have male, but not here, but another pair.
Ah, okay.
But elephant, male, female, different.
Yeah.
The male we have the tail, yeah?
Oh, the tug.
Female no have. Female no have the tail, but we still have but not too long, small.
Ah, okay, yeah.
Like this, you see that small. But elephant have the teeth, the big teeth.
Yeah.
Elephant did a lot. Did all day. All day, one day, one elephant eats 40 kilos.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
No way. That experience, wow. That's all I've got to say, guys.
Wow, wow, wow.
Exactly, wow, wow, wow. And now we're on our way to swim with some elephants, which will be just as cool. Get me kit off, get in the water, have a good time, and most importantly, get some good content for you guys. Hope you're still enjoying them. If you don't enjoy this, you're just a loser. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Quite accurate size.
New Balance won't be so new after this. Right, walking, about to have a bite to eat here, and now we're making fire, baby. Well, I'm not, he is. But I wouldn't mind doing it, to be fair. Worst places to have some scram, that's for sure.
Thank you. Thank you, very big. Okay, yeah? It's okay, it's okay. Thank you so much. Yes, sir, no problem. ไม่มีปัญหาไม่มีปัญหาภาษาที่เซไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไรก็ada no problem ภาษาที่เซไม่มีปัญหาภาษาที่เซไม่เป็นไร Right, ini pelan. Oke, tunggu kan. Tunggu sedikit. Diikuti dengan lu kita. Wow. Dimakan. Oke. Hey. Okay. Ya, ini apa ya? Stop. Sedikit panas. Ini saja. Ini saja. Ini saja.
barbecue chicken, fried rice, and a veggie broth sort of thing. Eating on a bamboo spoon. That is what remained of our dinner. That was honestly pen. I can't even. I was a bit sceptical at first, won't lie. Yeah, but Donny pulled through. That was fantastic. What was the best meal of that?
We're going to fast the cricket. Yeah, I didn't tell you about them. I don't have any food, sorry. Are you looking for that?
Little tank, innit? Right, we're at the waterfall. Well, not yet, we still need to get there. About a 10-minute walk and then we should be there. Fantastic. The hike continues. Got another 100 metres till we're at the waterfall. Walking amongst trees that have lived for as long as me, my father before him, and his father before him. Trees are 100 years old, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Wow, yes guys, that pretty much tops off what has been a fantastic day. Got to see the elephants. Oh, there's literally one there. Got to see the elephants, got to feed them, got to swim with them, got to see a waterfall. Everything that I've done today has just been one in a lifetime sort of thing. And it's fantastic. What a day it's been. About to get back into a taxi at 4 o'clock to go back to Chiang Mai, where we forgot to book a hotel for the night, so we had to do that last minute. But it's not a problem, because I've just spent the day with some elephants. Yes guys, just come from very chilled dinner. Can't be arsed doing anything, and I'm really hungry, and I fancy a pizza, so we get them on. And the pizzas do look unreal, to be fair.
Is that
As I said before, we're at a place called Napoli, which, can you guess, is an Italian. Sometimes you don't know what you're getting, but here they make the dough fresh, which is fantastic. Got a pepperoni pizza, pushed about a little bit, a beer as well, because we've had a tough day, guys. What a tough day today's been. Cheers. That was so good. A little taste of Tamino. Goes. I'll look at that.